Right. He's gonna start it again.
Sounds like this.
There we
Break,
go.
lads.